You need to break down your script, into scenes. That is the essence of the storyboard that will guide you in the camera. Hi, my name is Jude Yusuf, and I will be your guide in this journey of content creation video course. Congratulations for being part of this class, and I want to thank you for trusting in what I am about to share with you. I would like to urge you to apply all the knowledge and experience you will learn from me, because it's the exact steps I followed that boost my Facebook and now currently boosting my YouTube with the same strategy I will share with you in this course. So you will see results only when you are consistent. Everybody knows that consistency is the key. So here is the course overview. This course is designed to teach you how to create engaging and compelling video content for online platforms such as social media entirely, alright, websites and YouTube, through a combination of theory and practical exercises. You will learn skills such as video production, editing, storytelling, outsourcing, alright, and audience engagement. Part 1 is Introduction to Content Creation. Part 2, Storytelling and Copywriting. Part 3A, Outsourcing of Viral Videos. And Part 3B, Video Production Equipment. Part 4, Filming Techniques. And Part 5, Editing Apps. Part 6, Editing Process. And Part 7, Audience Engagement. Then the final part, which is Part 8, is Final Project. Okay, you are going to do a final project where you are going to produce a short video, all right, and post it on your social media. All right, before posting, you are going to share with me for a review, for me to know that all that you have learned has sunk into you, all right, so that what you have paid for this course will not be in vain. And at least me too, I'll be happy that I have imparted my knowledge to you. So I would like you to follow this course bit by bit. Wherever you find it difficult to understand, all right, just be free, okay? Contact me, all right? So thank you for buying this course, and I would like to see you in the course proper.